Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here with another unboxing or unbagging of Nadine West. Nadine West is a styling service that sends you clothes and jewelry based on a profile that you create online. Now, I've chosen, at first I started doing it monthly. You can choose every 2 weeks, which is what I've changed it to, monthly, every other month, so you can decide how often you receive shipments. Now, they do ship for free. It costs you $9.78 styling fee, which in turn gets put back onto your account or credited towards you if you purchase something. So they sent me 3 bundles this time. So I have this one. I have this one. And this one. I think there's only one thing in there. So let's get straight to the try-on. Okay, so we're not really off to a good start. Look at how tight this shirt is. And what is this? There's no way that this is a woman's large. There's just no way. It is just way too tight. It is not quite as stretchy as a t-shirt. It has these little raised texture on it, but oh my God. This is by Time and Honey. It is a large, and they want $11.99 for this top, and I can't stand it. So that's going back. The pants are joggers. They do have the standard jogger hemline at the bottom. They have cargo pockets with no closures. They're just flaps. So I wonder if that will wrinkle after putting them in the dryer. They're by Jolly and Joy. They are a large. These are $23.99. They're in the color green. They're very soft. They're very comfortable. I might consider these. Okay, so the next things they sent me was this top. I think it's beautiful. It has a nice floral design with white, blue, and dark blue. It has a really nice lace detail here and across the waist. It ties in the back. It feels snug. It's very tight, but it does fit. I think it fits really well. I think it looks pretty. I think it's very flattering. I think putting like a shrug or a cardi over it, or even just an open shirt over it would look really nice. I tend to not wear tank tops alone, so, but I do like this. Now, let's see. I am not sure which shirt this is. They didn't send a paper with like they usually do, so I had to go on my account and look it up. But I'm guessing this one might be around $31.99. Now the pants, however, these are called Dana Skinnies. They are like a legging. The front pockets, they actually have front pockets. Very stretchy. They're very comfortable. They feel very warm. They have small pockets on the back. It's a nice length for flats or booties. Now they did send me a pair similar to these 2 weeks ago, and I sent them back because they were just ugly. And these remind me of it. The color I like, but it's gonna pill. As soon as you wash it, it's gonna pill all those little spots on your pants. So they want $34.99 for these, and I don't think they're gonna make it. You know, as soon as you wash it, they're gonna get pilly. So, but I do like this blouse. I really do. Okay. The next thing they sent were these pair of shorts. They're blue and white striped. They have a raw hem, raw edge. They have 4 pockets that actually work. They don't fit. I put them on and I was like, there was just no way. Now I'm wondering why they're giving me clothes that are so tight. I specifically filled out my profile accordingly. But anyway, they don't fit. These are $11.99. Good price. Definitely a good price for a cute pair of shorts. But they don't fit. And it's, you know, it's fall now. So I don't need any more shorts. Oh, it looks like somebody else tried getting them on too. I see tears. Okay, now this is my t-shirt. And I thought I would go ahead and pair them with these pants. These are like a lounge pant. They feel like that marled fabric. Very soft, very comfortable. They do have pockets. They have a drawstring, a elastic waist. There's no pockets in the back. The length is perfect. Oops, steady. The length is perfect. They are a blue color, navy blue. There you go. Real nice. I definitely like these. These are $23.49. I think that is a very good price for these. These are, I think I will consider these over the green ones I tried on because I already have a pair of green ones in one of my other videos. So I'm thinking the blue. I like the blue ones. On to the next. So here is the next item. I have the same pants on and the same t-shirt, but now I have this blouse. It is a nylon and it's spandex, so it is stretchy. But even that being said, it's too small. I mean, there is just no way. But I do like the way it feels. It's a very comfortable, it's very stretchy. I really like the pattern. It has a couple of pockets. Here's the back. But like I said, it is definitely too small. They want $25.99 for this blouse. And I suppose you could wear it open over a tank. And that would look okay. The arms don't feel too tight because it's a very stretchy fabric. It has the, see this, even this is too tight. They have the tab. You can undo it, but this kind of fabric usually doesn't stay folded because it's so slippery and soft. So that's what that would look like. I mean, I like it. I just wish it was bigger. And one thing about Nadine West is they don't have a store you can shop on. I might be able to ask my stylist to send me this in a larger size. but it's a no-go. It's too small. Okay, finally something that fits. This t-shirt is a sage green color. It is meant to be oversized. It kind of has a dolman sleeve going on, which is very comfortable because it stays off of your armpit. If you have larger arms, the sleeves tend to ride up, but these kind of sleeves work really well for my arms. It is meant to be oversized. It's very stretchy. It's that super soft t-shirt material that is very popular now, which is probably 90% of the clothes that Nadine West sends you. This is what the back looks like. Looks like it's a little bit longer in the back and it has a slit side. This would match the other green pair of joggers that I have, and it would look great with a cardigan over it. I like this t-shirt. I always like a V-neck. And how much do they want for this one? They want $19.49 for it. I have issues with spending over a certain amount of money when it comes to basics. This is not quite a basic because of the sleeves. So I do like it. So I may consider this one as well. Now I am wearing a purple t-shirt. It is also that very soft, stretchy material that Nadine West really faves. It is a really pretty purple. It has a crew neck, I would say a scoop neck. And it has a tiny little pocket here, shorter sleeves, which I don't care for, and they're cuffed. But this would be a good piece underneath a sweater or a shirt, an open shirt of some sort. I do like it. It has the slits on the side. That's what the back looks like. But yeah, I like this. And it kind of has a pattern. I don't know if you can see it. It has like a marled pattern in it. It has a little bit of black in it, but it's really pretty. And they would like $18.99 for this shirt. And I lied. I have a couple more things to show you. The jewelry. Okay, so now let's get on to the jewelry pieces. It looks like they sent me 2 pieces of jewelry, and they sent me some hair scrunchies. They're the Amara hair ties, hair scrunchie. There's a red glittery one, a red paisley, a blue glitter, and a blue paisley, which I think they're very pretty. But I don't think they'll stay in my hair. These are $6.99. I will be returning these because I don't use them. But they're pretty, very pretty. So now let's look at the first piece of jewelry. They always come in these little bags. And if you ever wonder what to do with these bags, bath bombs, beauty bars, or bath bars, you put the bath bar inside the bag, you hang it from the faucet, and it'll activate it. Or you can put the bath bombs in that have sprinkles, glitter, herbs, flowers. Put that in here so that you don't get all this floaty stuff in your water and it doesn't go down your drain. So that's what you can do with these bags. So this looks like a necklace from Marin Elena. It's very pretty. It's a nice silver. It looks hammered. Can you see how the surface isn't smooth? So it does look hammered. That's pretty. And they would like $21.99 for this. It doesn't feel heavy. Feels nice and cool on the skin, actually. Can't see what kind of closure it is. So it is a lobster claw closure, but this one is big enough where if you want to make it tighter and just have this hang down your back, you could. Hello? I'm busy. So there's that necklace. I have another piece of jewelry. Now these earrings are called Distressed Angels. They are distressed. Interesting. They're not super shiny, but they hang. They have 3 different pieces of metal on here. See how they're separate? Wait, there you go. They're separate, just kind of dangling together. Super light. What do you think? I like that. Oh yeah. How it catches the light and you can see the different shapes. Now they would like $18.99 for these. I might consider these. I do like earrings. We'll have to see. So that is what we got in the Nadine West. I am thinking of keeping these. See, now you can really see them. They have a light blue and a dark blue. These are these pants. They want $23.49 for these pants. And I think I'm going to keep the green tee. I'm going to keep that for $19.49. And I'm going to debate on the earrings. I do have a jewelry subscription coming, so I may just pass on these. But yeah, that was fun, except for items being too small. I don't know what large rack they think those belong on, but they don't belong on the rack that fits me. And to be honest, I really don't need to size up. I think they're just pulling clothes that are junior, and I specifically mentioned no junior clothes. But a lot of companies, if you're a large and something runs small, they will automatically size you up. Now, the other styling services out there will do that. But apparently these guys don't. So yeah, I will have to make another note, and you place a review as well on each item. Here, let me show you. So here's a list of my items, right? And then over on the side, you rate them. And you just put what you think about the item, and hopefully they read those notes and make adjustments. So with that being said, I am glad you came by. I do hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.